might be again. Oh my God, that's the. Postcode. Postcode.
Hi, it's VK here, of Violet. I had a great birthday and we're going to Heeley City Farm. Yay! We're going to see the little girls. I hope my hair looks okay. I brushed it. I got makeup on, my lipstick and my foundation. I didn't have time to do my eyebrows, but these are my natural eyebrows. I think they look okay, so. I haven't got mascara on today because we're only going to the farm, so. But yeah.
Hello. Ah. Come here. Oh. Oh. Hello. Hello. Oh. Oh. Hello. 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 You're muddy. It's true. Oh, it's the... Hello. Hello. Oh, Dad, look at this one here, Dad, quick. Hello. Look at this little one here. Hello.
Look, it said.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
It's not doing it, is it?
Hello.
Hello.
I think it's interested in its shadow.
I know, I've seen it looking at its shadow, John.
Look.
Hello.
Oh, Mum, my favourite's here. Hello. They're coming. Look, the turkeys are coming.
Oh.
Hello, Dad. I love them to bits, Dad. Look. Hello. They're coming. Mum, they're coming. Hello. Mum, they're coming to me. Hello, look, the turkeys. Hello. Oh, Dad.
And it's a sweet, like a flumpy sweet.
Lovely,
Isn't it? Oh, they're fighting over your bit of flump. Give him one.
Dad.
Because you're not sugar, so give him one.
I'm not at it. What?
They're fighting over a piece of flump.
Hello. Do you want to cuddle? Look at the legs. Hello. They're very elegant.
Sweet. They are. They're very pretty, aren't you?
Hello. Look at that one.
Are you pretty? What? John, it's coming to you.
Wait, no. Oh, go.
Oh, that one's looking at you. I like that one's got a sweet face there. And see that one there. He's looking at me. Keep looking up at you. They've got a sweet face.
Well, listen to the voices. They're going.
I think
Hello. Hello. Oh, you're beautiful. Hello.
If you want to get some. But we'd have to walk back over there though. Look at them looking. They're all having a sit down. They were two having a fight a bit ago, but they stopped now. Lillian. It's a flower show. Wentworth Woodhouse.
Oh.
Mushroom.
we've moved. The turkeys are following us. Look, the turkeys are following us.
That one's fluffed all its feathers out, look, John. That one. Look. Look at that. Oh, look at that. I love that. That looks velvety, that one, John. With green head, that my lord. Look. You see it?
Yeah.
There's a velvety.
Is that one want to jump in? What's it doing?
No, it's doing something, isn't it?
Is that one stamping its foot? Look, does it?
It's cold, that water.
It's wiggling its bum.
It's so cold, that water.
Trying to get to us or something. Look. The turkey's actually trying to get to us. Wait a second. The turkeys, look, they're coming. Hello. Hello. Yeah. Hello. Lovely. My Lillian, look at Dad having fun. These female turkeys are.
Dad says, do you want some animal feed, Dad says?
It's okay.
Oh, she's not bothered, John.
Yeah, look at these turkeys.
Is it up here where the snake is? Isn't it like
They follow us all the way from over there.
John, just there.
Amazing. No, it's okay. Ah.
This is where me and Lily got to that where we saw the from here. I got my stuff on stuff. Look, you just take your shop and buy it if you want one. It's from their actual garden. It's good, it's confident. Thank you. Oh, hello.
Yes!
Yeah.
Oh, hello. Look, he's...
Oh, look how friendly are you, Louise?
Look his teeth.
Let me just see if other ones found.
Dad.
There's another one.
Hello. Look at this one down here. You have to put your arm down here for this one, though. If you're just checking if you've got food, you see. Look, look.
Look, this is where it got stolen from.
Sadly, in the early hours of Saturday morning, someone broke into the small and stole Mushu out of the wagon.
They still don't know. Where it is.
Still hopeful there'll be news about it. Incidents with damaged tank. If you have any information,
Sorry. Hello.
Look at that one there.
Oh, hello. Oh, hello.
You might not be able to stroke one.
Can I give
Chuck
him?
him some carrots.
Can I?
Hold it down close to him and then be patient.
It's okay. I used to have a guinea pig, probably because I'm not. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Yes, it's okay. Oh.
See that? You've actually fed something on your birthday.
Thank you. Yeah. Oh, I don't want to scare you. Yeah.
Must be Christmas. These carrots.
Oh, there you go. Mum. Oh, you're lovely. Hello. Do you want a bit?
That one's
No.
shy. That one seems a bit shy in that canoe.
Oh, you want one? Nick.
That one's just one eating it. Others are coming right now, aren't they?
Oh my God. Oh my
Made
god.
her do it.
I just need to relax some.
Little tiny relaxer do.
There you go. Nico, look at this one.
Was that Aggies?
There'll be another one, I think. Autumn, I don't know where autumn is. They're like in a little circle now. They take it in turns though, don't they? They're not nasty, are they?
Yeah, you have one a bit. Oh. Oh. There you go, you're having a bit now. A bit now.
That was like that.
Yep. There you go.
That black one's looking, but it's not. It's like, I'm not sure.
I want them all to have.
How amazing, and you can have a video as well, aren't you? Oh God, look at it.
Hi, Violet here. I'm filming guinea pigs at Heeley City Farm. Literally. You got me in? That one looks like Guinness. Hey, you want some?
Not before now.
Yeah. You want some?
Black Daddy all going house.
Mum, Dad, get my face in. You got me? Yeah, like that. I want you to get me in as well. Get me in as well, Dad. This side, I've got it. Oh, oh, look. Oh, there you go. That's Stanley. Oh. That's this one's Millie. This one has been eating a lot. You want some?
Just ready for a change of scenery. Yeah, it's a bit cold for me. It's squabbling a bit, aren't we, bless them?
That's fun.
They always got something kind of like a new tunnel dryer.
Come on.
Come on.
Come on.
And when they start to get clogged,
Come on. Come on. Dad, stop. Dad, stop. You're scaring me now. Come on. Dad, stop.
so every so often we put take them out, give them
This
a
one?
clean, put them back, and then it usually pulls better off.
Dad,
I got it.
you got me in?
Yeah.
Oh, you didn't know this was going to happen, did you?
Yeah, stop it. Stop it.
Say it now.
There's a rabbit here.
Oh, rabbits, yeah, with the Chinese name. Take a bite, Mum. Oh,
You like being fed, but you don't like being stroked.
do you want to be in the house?
Yeah, Mum. Thank you.
No worries. See you later.
Oh, there you are. Sorry, I was just talking to him. I told him about my YouTube. Oh, look. Hiya. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? It's alright. It's alright. It's okay. Hello. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, it's okay. It's my birthday.
Carol.
Oh, fuck off.
What's your fingers? That's what I'm saying. You're biting. You're not changing what you've done.
Violet.
Let go.
They're gentle, they're lovely pigs.
Babies haven't got one, have they?
Ah.
Stroke, do you like being stroked? Make sure you're on top of the veg, yeah?
Top of the head.
See?
Oh,
Oh.
lovely, are you? Yes, please, because it's her birthday today, and she loves animals, don't you?
Right, just don't go near the mouth.
Filming, Willie?
Yep. Yep.
Hi, it's Violet here, it's my birthday. I'm going to be filming some pics.
That's it. Keep your hand away. That's all. Keep your hand away. That's it.
Ooh. It's not right, yeah.
Keep watching. Keep watching the pig.
I'll keep watching. Am I doing it right? Okay. I'll just let him have it.
Do you want to throw some more in for
Want to
them?
throw some? Just
Some
throw
for
it
the
in.
piglets.
You're going to throw some in for the piglets. Throw it. And another one so they don't fight.
Oh yeah.
So they don't fight. They've got one each then.
And you give Mum another one.
Give Mum another one.
Yeah.
Oh.
Right fast.
Big carrot at you.
That's my day, auntie. It's your, because it's her birthday and she's like, oh, can we get a feeding experience? But we never got round to it, did we?
Mum, little Leanne, film.
Evidence.
Got some bananas coming.
Like serious. Like.
Oh, Violet, she's just going to get some bananas next for the pigs.
Look.
Violet, did you just say? Did you have to throw them in individual?
No, just chuck them in like
Just chuck
that.
them in like that, Violet. Ready?
I'll let. Oh, ready?
Hey.
Is this their dinner?
Some of it, they'll get pig nuts
Do they eat the
too.
skin or do they chuck the
A
skin?
lot.
They prefer not the skin. They tend to put their foot on it.
Ah,
And
look, look. Look, putting its foot on it so it doesn't have the skin and taking the middle bit. Put some more for little ones. Violet, chuck
Banana.
some bananas for little ones. Come on, that side for babies. Some more. She saw that last thing on the Sounds like you, Violet.
Nick. This is crazy. Oh, there it is. There you go.
Mess about, do they?
I know.
sit down.
They just put their foot on it, don't they?
We've had what, 3 big broccolis,
There we go.
a full batches of bananas. The one- Yeah.
Come over here or something, it was great, and they're all sheep and goats
Oh,
running through,
yeah.
weren't they? Do you remember?
We
At
saw-
bedtime when it's time to
Yeah,
get them
yeah.
back in.
We saw the piglets when they were like really young, when they were just
didn't
born.
we? Yeah,
Did
yeah.
you? They were so cute, weren't they?
Yeah.
I filmed that. I've got 3 videos to bring out on my YouTube now. On
How quick is it? Look what you got!
He likes apples, that big one, look at it.
yeah, oh.
Only one, isn't it?
Watch, he puts his foot on, what? He puts his foot on banana, what? They won't eat skin.
They're
Puts
clever.
his foot on skin.
Or
He gets the middle out.
he's using his nose to scoop it out.
Feeding my 25th birthday at Grace Park. I'm literally helping them. It's crazy. I fed the guinea pigs, and then I fed the pig Oh, yeah.
This is Lily.
Nick, hello.
And this
Lovely.
you can give him some of those. I'll give you some.
Yeah! Hello. Yeah? Try and hold it over the top.
Yep. Something, Violet.
Well, yeah, I'm feeding. I'm gonna give him bananas.
Oh.
Yeah.
They love bananas, don't they? I never knew pigs love bananas. So
I
much.
know.
I know
Got me
monkeys.
in, Olivia.
Hey,
I know monkeys
Yeah, put a
love
good
bananas, but
footage for you.
hello everyone.
It's Violet K here,
look, she's giving bananas. She's feeding bananas, though, John.
feeding.
You can
Pigs.
give John. You can give them this. You can give this.
Yeah,
How many
let
bananas do you have?
Violets are doing it.
How many bananas do you eat?
Can they have? Well, they can have those.
How much is that? 30 quid. 70 quid. Oh, don't let me calculate it.
Don't go
For
there.
my little girl, she's the only one with the mother at home.
Don't go there.
You don't peel it.
No, they peel it themselves. Watch them, Oscar. They just get the nose and they take out middle out. They do it themselves.
Oh
John.
wow.
Look, see how they spit the... Okay.
Bit bad.
Nick, yeah, here.
Wash your mouth with your fingers.
Yep, yeah. Do you want one?
Ah, let's just nick that one off that one.
Yeah. Yeah.
Eat like quick, don't they? Not supposed to give them apple, apparently.
Yeah. Mum, watch. Here. Do you want mum?
They don't know what they are.
This one, they have.
Mum.
So that one's coming to
They
you,
can
Violet.
kill. Really can eat human.
I'm not chucking him in anymore. I'm feeding him.
Can I do it?
Yeah. Mum, go on, I'll film it, mum. Lily.
Oh,
Lillian, you do one. Oscar, you do one.
Thank you.
is that nice? Did you say?
Yeah.
Come on, baby.
Johnny's like,
Yes, Oscar.
come here, that is so funny.
I can't even see its size.
Film me. Hi, it's Violet here. I'm feeding these lovely black pigs these bananas. I never knew pigs love bananas, but it's crazy. My 25th birthday, the woman at the... Oh, they're really hungry. Can you see it? Yeah. Can you, have you got the pigs in? No, I want you to film me and feeding the pig, you know, in the same shot. Yeah. Oscar, you filming the pig, you know?
Watch your hand. Watch your hand.
Yeah, I watched. Yeah.
Come
What
to
about
this.
you? What about you?
This one eats everything. This one eats anything.
Oscar.
Watch your fingers. Violet, watch your fingers. Under. Oh, look. a pigeon.
Violet, take your hand
Pigeon's
off.
just come down, Violet.
I know.
Violet, look at pigeon.
Hello. Oscar. Oscar, you filming?
Always.
It's a carrot.
This is insane. I never thought I'd do this.
Now you tell them as you're giving them Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Yeah.
I think you've made animals Christmas, Violet. I don't know.
It's a good thing on your birthday. You're feeding people.
Yeah.
Oh, she's back quick. Run. Oh, it's almost all gone.
Nearly fed all the bananas.
Oscar's had 2 or 3 as
That
well.
big one takes it alright if you do it under bar.
On the bar.
So that middle back bit there, that's it. Look, watch. You are funny, aren't you?
Actually, this is the way Violet actually looks
Oh,
when
thank
she's
you.
eating.
Yeah.
Can't see your eyes. You got your
Lillian,
feeding pigs on my
you know, come and see.
20th birthday.
You know, this is how she looks when she's eating.
Right.
Most especially that time. You know, most especially when she comes out and like, do you want some?
Yeah, Mama.
That irritating thing. Do you want some?
Oscar. What?
Oh, yeah. Before you.
It has got eyes, but it's just
They
covered
don't
up
have
with
eyes.
It has got eyes, hasn't it? You're saying it hasn't got eyes.
Should I throw these in as well?
Is it already Christmas Day?
It's Christmas Day for them.
Is it? Apple's going in.
You've fed quite a few, haven't you, Violet? Oh, they like apples.
What about the
Chasing
goats? You haven't
apple,
given the
Violet.
goats anything.
Violet,
No,
chasing apples.
just these guys.
So
goats are quite
so
funny.
the goats only eat the grass.
Cucumber, look, Violet.
The boy.
I'm sorry.
Come on then.
You done with that? Thank you for your help with that.
Being fed.
Should I let the kid phone in or?
You can put them in.
If you feed them though, it's part of the meal. I get her pregnant.
But
So they have babies.
what about the last time we came here? There were so many.
Yeah, well, some are in here,
They
then
get on,
these
don't
ones
they?
now.
What have we done today? We
Fed
fed.
lots of animals.
They've all grown.
We fed bananas to the pigs. What was it? Oh, grapefruit. What was it?
Yeah, with cucumber, apples, carrots, and look, we've got a Violet calendar. Look, of all the animals on each month in the Heeley Farm.
Oh my god.
She's had an amazing.
Yeah.
Sorry, just that slips on foot.
Mum, no way it's coming back. It's coming back. It's my friend. He knows me.
Oh, it's my friend now. Oh, John, look. John, come here, look.
No,
Oh.
Mum, this is the one I spent.
John, you can stroke its neck. Come here.
Mum, Mum, look at camera. Mum. Mum, look at camera quick.
Mom, say cheese to the camera.
Mum, can you please look at the camera?
No, I can't. It's so gorgeous.
Mess.
Oh, baby. John, come have a couple of these.
Mrs. John.
Nibble if you
Are
want.
these friends or sisters or something?
It's alright.
Yeah, they like being stroked, don't they?
Yeah.
Oh, baby.
It's alright, you got permission. Yeah.
This
Mum.
one's going to sleep. John, I'm stroking it behind its neck. Come here. It's going to sleep. Look,
Not
John.
yet, it will doing it to me.
John, it's going to sleep. Look, I'm stroking it
Dad,
behind
put your
its
finger in
neck.
it.
It's
Go,
gonna
put your
sleep.
finger in its mouth.
I don't.
No, it's
Gentle,
fine.
gentle. Look, John, look, watch. It's going to sleep.
Told you.
What's he doing? Oh, look. Oh,
Hello. What the fuck's going on?
I don't know.
They're actually running from him.
Oh, John, did you see them? John, did you see them cows?
Is your mum wrong?
Oh, not yet.
Just remind me of your mum, that's all. You see a cow.
Sorry.
She's gone out with Teresa and she's gone.
Have you seen?
She's gone somewhere. She said to say Merry Happy Returns, Nana, Violet.
That's correct, that's correct.
We need to wash his hands before we go home, though,
No,
Violet.
look, it's leaning, look, wants me to scratch its head.
No,
That's, no,
that
that's
other
what.
one's feeling a bit left out, though, John.
They remember her.
Wow, oh my
Animals
god.
are smart.
Is it just like a loving one? What's up? Pigeons died from it as well.
This.
What?
Oh, you know that time we came? I think it was this one, Mom. They took.
The pigeons died. Oh,
One day was
I've never seen so many of them go. Oh my god, they're going to fly again. Look, there's some more coming, Violet.
Did you see it? Have you seen it?
Oh my god, I've never seen so many in one place. Have you?
I'm not joking.
Mum, what
When
is
I
this
see that,
got?
send it to you.
How come the other ones won't come?
Shit.
What?
Again, John.
What? What's he want?
Birds, what's going on with birds and everything? Birds are coming again. Oh, Violet.
Mum!
Oh, John. Oh.
They're going to bed now, Violet. We're going like into the dark, you see. John, Violet, Violet. Oh!
That's a fast one.
God, look at this fluffy little tiny thing
You're okay. Put him in bed.
in bed. They could be in out because before it gets dark, they fetch him in the bed. They've been out in pastures.
Is that a more then?
I don't know. There's some more stuff in that shop.
That was a movie I watched.
You have to wear it easy because it might frighten them, mightn't it? We're putting one in at a time. Look. Oh, look. Yeah. That's a baby. Is it a baby, do you think? They're going in bed in there. They're probably taking them in, aren't they? One by one.
You know, get all the mud off the feet.
Oh! Look at this, so cute.
Yeah.
Well, get out of here, Dylan. Look at entrance. Excuse me. We get animals in a minute.
Look at the goat. Look at it. Play. Mama.
That one's gone in.
Victor.
White one's
Vaping.
gone in with the brown one, that one.
Oh.
I wonder if they're all going together like
Oh.
Oh, it's doing its foot, it's going like that.
What a day, man.
It's getting impatient, look. Oh, it's been a good day, hasn't it? I mean, everything's doing it, I mean, I can't keep up me, you don't know. Feeding animals and everything.
Did you see the picture? John?
Teach. Hello.
Hey! Look, there's someone getting there, look.
They're not really good, aren't they?
Yeah. There's one here, look, on his own, bless it.
I'm only good, it's too early.
Mom.
This is Hazel, she's the nanny of Nanny Girl. She's
Niggle.
a nanny goat,
What a nanny.
Hazel. She is a very old lady. Old lady, nanny goat. Oh,
They hang about, do they?
no, no. Yeah.
Nah.
She's saying night. So, come on, quickly,
Hoi. Hello. Mom, look at the cows.
Photo you just got there, and they both looked at the same time. Hello.
They're your favourite, aren't they? I can tell.
They both looked at the same time.
Nick. Mom. Mogs.
Oh, hello, darling. Are you in your bed?
It looks tired.
bed?
It looks tired.
Oh. Are you in your bed?
Oh, hello.
Oh. Oh, God, they're gorgeous. Come on.
Okay.
She's taking a photo on here. You had a good day then, yeah?
Okay.
I can use my phone and send it to you.
Violet, stick with me.
Keep it
For
I know how to take photos, you know. This is a video. I want to take a photo, Violet, not a video.
No, video.
Oh, careful. You get the dad wants to be, oh, don't matter. Dad wants to be in as well. Oh, Violet. We're breaking the penguin, John. I can feel it going. Leaning on it.
That's it, I'm done.
Sorry,
I'm taking mine.
Lillian.
No, it's all right.
Yeah, what's he doing? Sweep behind your snake. What's it been? Let's try not to laugh. It's a snake, man.
Hey, John.
It's shaped like a carrot.
Come on, let's go. I want to go.
Oh, I was just going to say, I was just going to say, where's my
Right,
bag?
that's
It's on my back.
Hello. Guys, I've been stroking this goat. For ages. So beautiful. I don't want to say a she. I think maybe a she. Lovely, 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 lovely goat. Hi, I'm 25 today. I've been cuddling. Oh, I've been cuddling you inside. Oh, I've been cuddling this goat. Oh, that's why. That's why. Hello, hello. Oh, I saw that ages ago.
Number one, she got it.
See you later.
No.
Because if you start going in there, that's why they say in the bush.
The way he is, even.
Yeah, they won't find their way around.
Now you can go. It's always interesting when they are moving.
World War II serial number. It's 1994.
Serial
On
number.
44. Look.
Have you tried it on?
Gentle. No, don't try it on. Don't try it on.
No, because you might not be able to breathe.
No, because it's
Look at it, man.
look at that.
I think it's a kid's one, isn't it?
Yeah, looks like a child's one. I'm probably get on my head because I've got a child.
No, don't put it on
Don't
your
break
head
it.
because it's delicate. No, Dad. It's, no, I don't want you
I don't want
to.
you to.
It's a
It's
kid's
an
one,
order.
man.
Protected from it.
Because it's old.
You don't. He just wants you to look at it. Take a photo.
It's a kid's one, man.
It's good.
Kids have to carry these about, you know.
Oh yeah. This is your.
That.
Oh yes.
I don't know what's on it.
This is your gift for extra gift for Christmas.
Oh, that's nice. It's a little extra gift.
So you can't own it till Christmas. And this is your extra gift for Christmas.
Oh, thank you. No, I can't open it yet. If you're under cheek, because you don't get many presents.
You come to look, they don't play football anymore. The players are just looking.
What it is, we've had point deducted because give up people a chance.
Ah,
filming us?
No.
just waiting for Lillian.
Lillian!
Film.
No.
Lillian! Lillian!
Oscar.
Lillian!
This.
Joe.
Lillian!
Joe got me this.
She's filming.
Look at all these.
No.
Yee-wee! Where should I start?
From the mom.
Do mine last.
Bless.
No.
Lillian.
She's gone to the toilet.
Oh, she's gone to the toilet. Sorry, Lillian.
Sorry, Lillian.
No.
Oh.
What's it? Oh, God.
Nana, Maggie and Grandad Barry.
Oh.
What's it say?
A little birthday card.
Little birthday, £10.
It
That's
says,
nice.
hope you enjoy your Christmas. Have a lovely new year. Lots of love, Nana.
What is it?
I'll leave money there, yeah?
Yeah.
What's this? This is from Mushroom Man. I care. Expecting mushrooms.
It's got piece of paper on it.
Oh, it's got me a
Chocolate.
bottle.
A little bottle. Oh. She likes the bottle.
Sounds like it. Ask her. Film it.
Just chuck it anywhere.
Who's this? That's
That's from me, yeah. Open your little ones. That opening your little ones.
Oh.
Just to get orders.
This is from Auntie Danielle. It's like a farm, but...
It's like makeup to me. Probably makeup, probably vegan makeup, knowing Danielle.
Oh!
See, I told you, it looks like me. I bet she's brought you vegan because she knows she wants to be vegan. And it'll be vegan knowing from Danielle.
Thank you, Danielle. What? Family Guy. This is from, I think this is from Danielle as well.
This is from Danielle. It's a bit rude. Sorry.
I got 39.
It's a makeup or perfume or something. She's got them so far now. Eyeshadow and a water bottle.
It is repair oil or something.
I hope that's not from PDD.
Oh, it's for your hair. It's what you put that frizz.
Because
Put into your hair. Yeah, Lydia will have a look at that for you later, won't you? Lily? Tell her how to use it.
Right.
The foam one, yeah.
This,
Does it have lipstick on?
what?
don't look right, does it? He's like my reindeer up. I can't.
And that's from who?
This is from someone called Woolly Ham.
Oh.
Woolly Ham.
Lillian.
Wonderland.
Oh.
Come on. No idea. We don't know. She always gets specialised films. We never. I used to order them. We never knew what they were.
It's on fucking. It's basically a film about this American city's hit by a hurricane, and then these two kids are going around. It's like a gritty film.
Oh, I quite like that. I like disaster things, don't I?
Hey,
I like disaster.
why am I giving it
Can I have a
you?
look? I bet it's good, that.
Oh, this is from Garcia.
God.
Oh, see ya.
We've got it.
Gaza. Gaza Strip.
I call it Gaza Strip.
Oh, shit. This is from
I haven't it. Oh, she got me. Oh, it's a brush at home.
to it.
Oh.
Oh, and the hair something.
So she's got an airbrush and some frizz thing now.
And something to cover the hair.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
A headband.
The hairband.
Oh, that's good, yeah. When you wash your hair.
And the woman.
Right.
Put down
This is from is this from her as well? No.
Gaddafi.
What's it from?
No. She only likes Donald Trump.
Oh,
That's a pretty birthday girl.
What's it from?
Donald Trump.
Yeah.
Oh.
yeah, thank you. Wish you all the best, proudly your friend, Savannah, the most beautiful woman, caring person. Very funny, annoying.
Funny and annoying, John.
Very
Funny and annoying, John.
I know, tell me about it.
Oh my God, this is Maria. Who's talked to my mum before? She's a beautiful
Yeah, I've never met her.
baby killer.
But I've actually spoke to her.
Oh yeah.
Sounds lovely.
This is Christmas. It says Christmas. It's got
No.
my birthday and Christmas.
Wait a minute. The Christmas one is down there.
Sure.
Yeah, she wanted you to have that one for.
Oh, yeah, I'll get you.
So what?
I got distracted.
Oh, she got me a cushion. I don't know, what is it, a cushion?
Oh.
Oh my God. Oh, no way. That's lovely. I've always wanted a car. Oh my God.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Is it too small though?
All that
If it's too
face.
small.
Check it out. Check it out.
She might be able to exchange.
She might.
Check it out.
That is lovely.
That is your size.
You know what? I think that's my size. If it fits
It's Lillian's
nothing,
size, that,
I'll
not
take
yours.
it.
That is amazing.
We have to get it on, but
Oh, is it?
sometimes it.
Guys, I've always wanted a girly cut.
Yeah, it's around that bit, look.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, don't say that.
Don't take
I
tag
love
off.
it though. I love it. I
She'll
love it.
change
Yeah,
it. Don't
she'll
take tag
change
off. Don't take it.
Oh wow, that's
Unless she
really
just let it
so
open,
cute.
but you know, you want it
Yeah,
closed.
No, let's change.
Thank you, Marie.
That's lovely, that. So if you give that to Lillian, then she'll keep it safe.
Are you
still
sure?
got
that. She's got that.
Yeah, I don't like try it on though, whatever
No,
you
please,
do.
please.
It's lovely that, isn't it?
Still filming, Oscar.
Yeah, because keep
Oh, yeah.
tag on.
So thank you.
Right.
Thank you, Violet.
These last three, that's not from you.
No, I don't know. Oh, that's on Kirsty. I don't know what that is.
From staff.
It's on my sister.
No, it's not
Kirsty,
from-
that's on one of my. It's two sisters.
Okay.
That's on Kirsty, and then she got them little things from Danielle, that's my sister. Got Kirsty.
Oh, that's pretty cute.
The wide world in his hands has got the. Thank you, Kirsty. That's lovely.
With your D's in, that back there.
Oh!
That's it. Zebra and panda and everything on it.
Oh!
What is it?
It's makeup, I think.
Oh no, it's like a body wash and that. You know what you have in, or whatever.
Oh,
Is
is
it a
it?
shower gel?
She knows I'm vegan, yeah?
Yeah, probably.
We don't eat it.
Yeah.
Is it vegan?
John,
Has it got that
are you
sign on it?
vegan?
Yeah, it says World Land Trust, so yeah.
It will be.
I'm English.
Yeah, cruelty free.
Yeah. She always asks Danielle, you know what.
Thank you, Kirsty.
Oh,
Will you stop filming us?
This one's now.
What's going on? I don't know.
Aww.
Oh,
That's good, isn't it?
That's very good.
That's lovely.
That's deep, isn't it? I saw that and thought of Violet.
I need two cameras.
Oscar, look at Oscar film that.
Sorry.
I don't know if you
Have
like
you got
it.
me a baby game?
No,
No.
it's an adult game.
This is their breakfast today.
She said,
Kaplan!
Have you heard of it?
He won't be able to do it. It's
Have
too
you
hard.
heard of it?
I know,
It's
I
like
like
Jenga, but what with it is marbles, so you have to pull strike it.
Kaplan!
It's a really
Oh.
old game when I
love
was
games,
little.
so-
I've never
Thank you,
When
that's a
I was
good
little.
idea, that.
It's a vintage game,
Maybe
that.
it'd be funny.
Oscar down there.
mm.
So hard.
That one.
I don't think DVDs in that, but
This one.
it's up to you. We'll open whatever you want.
Oh, did you get this from the charity shop?
No?
Oh.
I got it. I think I get it from the shop.
My little-
My little
From that.
boy, yay.
Why, have you got one?
No, no. It's not friendship is magic, you know.
I know, I told
No,
you
but
that.
it is nice. Thank you.
I told you that. Because I said, does it have to be friendship is magic if it's nice? And you said, no, would you like it?
What do you mean?
Keep that bag. It's magic, my love. But she said, yeah.
What's this?
Oh, it's not much though. it's not much. It looks like
So it says that.
no, but it's just something daft.
So it says that with present. It's not much.
So much
Cheap.
stupid.
Oh, there's some stick. Oh! Oh! Ah!
Look, Violet.
Oh,
I want
wow.
to put that on my. I want to put that on my door.
On you what? Door. Yeah. Look.
Right, we're to the DVDs now.
Yeah, that's it now.
How do you know the DVD?
This is not a DVD.
Does it shape? Yeah. Together though.
Yeah.
Oh no, that's not a DVD. That's something that she wanted. She asked for.
I didn't. What? Ah! Oh. How did you find this?
Amazon.
My favourite animal.
Everything else.
Obsessed with bats.
She's excited.
Oh my.
Oh, it's a favourite present, a bat book. A book about bats.
Oh, that's nice.
I think if I ever hear and
Is it-
see
is it-
one
is it-
more bat every day, I'm going to have to get her a bat book.
Is this everybody in the UK?
I'm not sure. You'll have to read it, I'm not sure. I
Oh, Pip
know
Strelly!
it's a charity one. Is it the RSP?
I love that, thank you. There's another card.
Oh, that's my card from me. And Dad.
There's lots of time.
Yeah, she's done well, hasn't she?
Oh,
Look at that, sloth.
20. Thank you. Thank you. Mum.
25 today.
Great old.
I know.
I'm still alive.
And some because I'm a bit lazy. Sorry, Violet.
Really?
I'm a bit lazy.
She's lazy, she said it on camera.
We're wrapping that many presents this particular day.
Oh. Oh yeah, I did ask for this. Yeah. Oh yeah. Ooh, what's that? It's a box with loads of films around Hollywood and stuff.
These are what she asked for.
Yeah. Thank you.
200.
Thank you. I've got some good films here.
I should have wrapped them together, really, should have, but don't
Did I
matter.
ask for this one? Yeah,
You asked for them all because I wrote them.
Yeah. Diary of a Mad Housewife. That's Lillian. They might be giants. That's Dad.
Giant? I think it might be midget.
State of the Union. That's President Clinton. Past the Hall. That's Lillian.
Pastas.
A Kiss Before the Mirror. That's me.
Ooh.
And Peter
Ibbotson.
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 That's Oscar. Thank you. Hey, stop filming.